I'm here to do a few repairs on a shingle roof. Now, this is temporary repairs, but I want to show you how easy it is to do. I got myself a cap sheet. You see this SBS Cap. Now, it's the same as the Liberty you can buy at the Home Depot. It's a self-adhering cap sheet. So, yeah, it says here. Look here, self-adhering roofing system for residential low slope, okay? I take a piece of this cap sheet, just like that, and I cut myself 4 feet or something. I use a hook blade. See the hook blade? Let's go up on a roof and then I'll show you. Alright, so this roof has had its days. You can see shingles coming off everywhere. But to buy some time, and you can see this is all rotten. So to buy some time, I'm going to show you how to make a repair. At least you can get a little bit of time before you have to do the roof. Alright, you take a flat bar and you lift up, let's say these shingles. Try to get them loose. Very slightly get them to undo them to get the adhesive loose, okay? Just like that. Okay. How I fix it for now. Something like that, right? Let me see where we are. There. So you want to try and get this membrane underneath those shingles. Not easy. So what we're going to do is you're going to peel back this membrane just a little bit, the release liner, okay? And then I'm going to try and shove it in underneath those shingles. Yeah. Just like that. We start on one side. And then you pull it up there. So, okay, push. Okay. So, okay, right there. So you want to try and pass the membrane up there. So you just want to try and get it beyond that. That's it. Okay. So I'm buying time here until I get to do the roof. Now you're going to fold back this, and I pull the plastic back here. See that? And I roll it down. Look at that. Very nice. And then I put this I take out this release liner, and that will stick. All right. So problem is averted for now, until such time that the roof can be done. This is going to stick now to the other shingles, but I fixed a leak temporary. Look, beautiful. All right, now let me show you. There are other repairs to be done. You see this? This is a joint between two shingles, and the water gets in between that joint and then gets underneath the roof here. So for now, you want to fix it temporary. Now, you can either use metal flashing and shove it in here and somehow fasten it with a nail or something, or you first have to stir it. You can do what I do. I use turbo poly seal and I put a little coat like that, just like that. Just like that. I put turbo poly seal, and this will last a long time. You get it underneath there, just like that. And I've fixed so the water will not get in here for a while. Okay? This is how I fix something that is very bad and it will last for a while. I put a dab over the nails, exposed nails. Okay? And you can do this until you have money to do the roof. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.